Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to activate your account on chess.com. So the first thing that you'd like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave. But of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you in your PC. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section and simply type chess.com and hit the enter button, and that should take you into this page. Of course, if you have an account, you can simply go and click on this login option on this left panel, and here you can enter your username or email, password, and check this remember me if you don't want to log in anymore. Of course, you can even log in with your Apple account, Google account, or Facebook account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating or logging into your account. Or if you don't have an account, you can simply go and click on sign up from here or sign up from here. Both will take you to this page, and here, of course, you'll just have to choose a username, email, enter an email password, and simply click at sign up. Of course, you'd like even to choose your chess skill level, new to chess, beginner, intermediate, or advanced. And also, you can sign up with Apple, Google, or Facebook, like login if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of this signing up. So once you're logged in into your account or you just created your account, you'll find yourself here in this home screen or the main screen of the chess.com. So as we said in the beginning of this tutorial is how to activate your account. And of course, once you actually created your account, you can go to your Gmail, and if they are asking you to verify any of your accounts by clicking a link or something, make sure to click it to verify it. But that's mostly not going to happen. Your account will be verified since the first time you created your account. Of course, sometimes they actually ask for verification, but not always. And of course, you can even go and buy premium to be verified 100% because of course if you pay you will be verified and even have a premium which will give you a lot of, as you can see, features. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.